Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing the automatic needle threader of the Bernard Swango sewing machine. And this is a computerized sewing machine. So I have already kept the thread in the horizontal spool. Before we start threading the machine, it is very important to ensure that your presser foot is on the top position. So make sure that before you thread the machine, it is important that the tension discs are engaged properly when you are threading the machine. So let's start. So this is a Madra coat spade poly white thread. So I've kept a stopper here. So next we will be following this hard line, not the dotted line. The dotted line is for the bobbin thread. Okay, so then let's go here. Follow this. Come down, follow this direction, and we'll take a U-turn here and we will leave it here. So at this point we will slowly rotate this hand wheel here towards you so that it comes up. Okay, so we'll go back here and we will go pull this up and follow this U-turn again. Okay. So we pull it down, come down. At this point you will hook it here. Okay, now let's go closer. So after this we need to hook it here. We are hooking it here through this. Okay, so next step we will be using the automatic needle threader. So this is the automatic needle threader knob or whatever, and this is the buttonhole. These two you should be able to differentiate. Now next step is to move the hand wheel so that the needle is in the topmost position. You can see what I mean. Okay, so this seems to be the topmost position. Okay, pull this down slowly, gently, and you will see that it will turn like this. So you can see a slow tick there. At this point you hook it here at this point, and you move this between the knobs. So can you see it is between the ridges of that automatic needle threader, and gently hold this needle if you want, or you can leave it and then just leave this knob. So you can see that the needle has been threaded. So this you can pull it out. So your needle has been threaded, and now we can test our stitch. This is my bobbin thread. So this is the swatch I'll be trying, and lowering the thread. I'll reduce the speed. And pulling the cloth out, cutting it here on the side, and here is the stitch. You can see this is the stitch that I made now, and the behind is like this. So this is how the automatic needle threader works. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any comments or doubts about it. I hope this video is very clear.